It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2022 Maverick XLT in black. The interior is a gray-blue cloth interior with seating for 4 doors, and you have a 4-foot box with a nice tonneau cover. It has a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's an all-wheel drive. It also has a sliding rear window, a moonroof that's powered with a sliding screen on top, and many more features, including the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book that online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's an all-wheel drive. Let's have a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted with an all-weather mat on the floor. Your integrated trailer brake controllers located here, high mount light, and lighting controls. On the face of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control, volume, menu, and hands-free dialing. And then it's just a matter of putting the key in the ignition and starting up the vehicle. You're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, and the menu will come up as well. And there we go. And so we can get in there, select screens, audio, phone, settings, and these all have submenus. And there's a little cubby right behind the screen, and on the face of it, we're just seeing the FM and the connected phone. So we can go into the audio and choose our sources, AM, FM, and Bluetooth. And when we go into the settings, we're going to see the different options. There's your Bluetooth again, the general information. And again, you touch on the screen, just slide through what you want. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, ambient lighting. You can change the look of your display screen, your Wi-Fi, and so forth. And when you put the vehicle in reverse, you're going to see your backup camera view. There's your center line, green, yellow, red, just telling you how close you are to other objects or vehicles when going in reverse. Let's put us back into park. Little cubby off to the side, hazard lights, volume, and tuner. And there's your air vents, fan, your front and max fan, AC, max AC, and the digital readout, USB, USB-C, and you've got these nice orange inserts, and that just, it gives you a place to put your phone and other objects, and it's easy to see. Your dial shifter, a couple of cup holders, electronic parking brake, and then you have your different drive modes here. So when you press on that, you'll see normal, tow haul, slippery, mud ruts, sand, and then back around again. And I was just pushing the button to get that. You notice the icons change. So when your weather conditions or your road conditions change, you can adapt. Your traction control, auto hold. So when you're towing, and this vehicle has a trailer tow hitch, this puts you, or on an incline, this puts you in a hold position so you don't roll back. Auto stop start for less idle time, and hill descent. Little cubbies here, and then your armrest opens up. Very generous armrest there. Off to the side is the glove compartment. And you also have a manually dimming rear view mirror. You have your moonroof that's powered with a manual screen just by pushing the button. And you also have your lighting controls here as well. There's a grab handle on the passenger side, just making it easier to get in. 17-inch wheels, mud flaps, black door handle, keyless entry keypad, driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler, and you've got this nice little tonneau cover. In the rear, you have your backup camera just below the Ford badge, black handle, 4 and 7-pin connector, and a trailer hitch. And then when you want to open that up, you simply put your hand in the latch. It'll come down easily for you, and you've got tie downs in all 4 corners as well. You have lots of room there with a 4-foot box. You can add an extender if you wanted to, and that would give you 6 feet of room with the tailgate down. And then when you're ready, close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a bench seat. You can simply pull the tab either end. You only need to pull one, and it'll bring the seat right up. You have storage underneath, and right now you're seeing extra carpeted mats, and then just bring it down. There's an armrest in the middle with a couple of cup holders, all-weather mats on the floor, slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and you have a USB, USB-C plus a 120 volt, and that little slot there, you can actually 3D print whatever you want. We've seen cup holders, you can make a little table, whatever fits in there. And then up top, you've got that moonroof. There's lighting, hooks and handles off to the side, and in the back, access to a sliding window. 4-foot box with tonneau cover, mud flaps, privacy glass in the back windows, adjustable side view mirrors, halogen headlights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.